Are you looking for one powerful product that can grow your hair, soothe your scalp, and nourish your skin? Let me introduce you to a wonderful game changer, Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter with Shea Butter. This thick combination golden balm is packed with nutrients, and after using it just a few times you wonder how you ever lived without it. In today's video you'll learn how to use it for hair growth and moisture, the best way to apply it for scalp health, and a few hacks for using it on dry skin and protective styles as well. So grab your butter and let us dive in. Now, first of all, what is Jamaican Black Castor Pure Butter? This product is a rich blend of 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil, which promotes hair growth, strengthens strands, and soothes itchy scalp. And it also contains raw shea butter, which is deeply moisturizing and packed with vitamin A and vitamin E. It's thick, it's nourishing, and a little goes a long way. It's perfect for type 3 and type 4 curls, dry or damaged hair, scalp massages, dry skin, heels, and cuticles. Let's go step by step on how you can be able to use it in your daily routine. Now, for hair growth and moisture, for specifically when it comes to moisturizing and sealing hair, you can start on damp or dry hair, and you simply take a pea-sized amount, warm it up with your hands until it melts, and you apply it to the mid lengths and ends of your hair, especially when it's dry. And you use it after applying your leave-in moisturizer for the LOC method. And why does it work? It works because it seals in moisture and it helps to reduce split ends, so it makes it perfect for wash days or twist outs as well. Now, for scalp growth and stimulation, or hair growth in this case, and stimulating hair growth, you firstly section your hair, you warm a small amount of the butter, and you massage it into your scalp using circular motions to help with blood circulation for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now, doing this 2 to 3 times a week will help to promote circulation to the follicles, encouraging thicker, healthier hair. Let's talk about using it as a deep conditioning booster, and this is a wonderful, amazing quick tip that I love. I just simply add 1 teaspoon of that butter to my deep conditioner, and I apply it as usual. I cover my hair with the shower cap and I sit under the heat for 15 to 30 minutes, and it gives my conditioner a serious moisture and strength boost as well. Now, you can also use it for skincare because this butter is not just for your hair. It works wonders on dry skin too. And if you've been watching me here on the channel, you know I suffer from severe dry skin, especially during the winter seasons. So for skin, you start by warming a small amount and rubbing it into your elbows, knees, heels, and hands. It's great as a lip balm or overnight treatment as well for the feet. You apply it to cuticles, you apply it to your hands before bed, and you will wake up with wonderful soft skin. Now, as a bonus tip here, you can use it after the shower to seal in moisture and give your skin a healthy glow. Now, what are the do's and don'ts of using this wonderful Jamaican black castor oil blend? First, when it comes to the don'ts, I've got 3. Don't use too much. It's really rich, so start always with a small amount and upscale. Don't apply it to your face if you are acne prone. For example, my skin's dry, sensitive skin. It's okay for me to apply just a pea-sized amount on my face before bed. But if you have oily skin, if you have acne prone skin, please don't apply it to your face. And lastly, don't store it in the heat because it can melt quite easily. So treat it as the same way you would treat coconut oil. So what are the do's? Store it in a cool, dry place. Use clean fingers or a spatula to scoop, and patch test if you have sensitive skin. If you would like to know how to do a patch test correctly, there will be a video linked in the description box below. It will take you on a step-by-step on the do and don'ts of a patch test. Now, this butter is one of my go-to products for an all-in-one beauty solution. It has helped my skin feel calm, and it keeps my hair soft and defined, and it heals those rough, dry patches on my skin. If you're transitioning or dealing with dryness or just want a healthy glow, this product is a must-have in your self-care toolkit. You can use whatever brand you're comfortable with, and as long as you just do your own research and make sure that it is, good for you, free of chemicals, and cruelty-free as well. Have you tried Jamaican black castor oil butter? Drop your favorite way that you have used it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And like this video if you love natural hair and skin remedies. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's holistic beauty tip. Take care, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.